groupism, etc., the root of all unrest and sorrow will evanesce. It is now that universal harmony and concord will be established. Just I spoke to talk about the soul or prana. Suppose a man fallen into the bed suffering from illness. Doctor came, checked the patients and declared that it is out of the doctor to recover this patient. Now, only the God can save him. Doctor does not know that the God is also present within the patient. Doctor knows how to survive the patient, means how to survive the kinetic prana or the kinetic soul within the body. If the kineticism will cease from the body will die. This is the expire. But when the kineticism stops from the ailment patients, then what come again? Where he has gone to the still state, static state of his own prana. So there is a vibration is depending to survive this body. This is the science of the spirituality. So spiritual is not so easy thing. Now I am going to the board and will sketch you the science of prana or the science of the soul. What activities are within this body so that this body alive? When the activity ceased, our body died. This is the science. What science we are finding here? That suppose I am not a good sketch man, so please forget me, that a rough sketch I am showing here, that this is the spinal cord of the body. This place and on the head, 7 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Within this 7, here is zero vibration. Here is also zero vibration. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that way, 5, like that way. Here, the 10 vibration. Vibration is increasing. Here, into 10 means 100. So, here is 100 vibration. Again, into 10. So, here 1000 vibration. Vibration increasing towards the downfall within this body. This body is the temple. In Sanatana teachings us to know yourselves, not to the external God. So that Ved, Vedanta, Upanishad, Gita, all are the non-dual. They are not the dual. Because everywhere taught us to know yourselves. This is the body temple. Those people does not know to worship the God within the body temple. They are going to the external bricks or the stones made temple and putting the image. This is not the soul science. This is not the spiritual. This is the external method. At least not to do, but to do something. This is the main thing. 1000. Again into 10. 10,000 vibration. Again into 10. So when come here, it is 1 lakh vibration. 1 lakh. Our present existence here, yoga teaches us, oh dear yogi, you have to come here. This is your origin. The zero is the origin. That's why Shastra is scriptures told, Nishchalang Brahma Uchyate. The non-kinetic, the static state of my own prana is the Brahma. Brahma is the non-dual. So this is the teachings of our holy soil Bharat. Now we are the men, lucky people that we have born in this holy soil. So we have to learn this thing. This is the yoga science. So at present I am here. After few time, say 60 years of old, 70 years of old, one day, that patient feeling, that man feeling that I'm very, very sick, lying on the bed. His prana vibration came here, means the 10,000. Private doctor called in the house. He said that I am giving this medicine, but it is better to take him to the hospital and take the admission. His patient, his vibration came here. Doctors in hospital is trying to save this life. What to save? That his vibration should maintain here. But this tendency of the vibration is going towards the zero. This is the going towards the death. Why that way? Hospital doctor gave him the saline, everything. His vibration came here. 100. From 1 lakh to 100. His vibration came. So the patient becomes senseless. Nothing to drink, nothing. Patients, doctor is getting the pulse. Very slow, very low position vibration. He's getting here. After that, his vibration came here. 10 expired. The patient expired when this prana vibration came here. Means that 10%. He was previously was 1 lakh, then he came to the only 10%. 10 expired. But yogi teachings, yoga saying, oh dear yogi, in every path, you are coming here, again you are going here. Again coming here, again going here. Mr. A expired. Come Mr. B expired. Came Mr. C expired. Like that way, Bahu Janamani Batitani, we are passing the days, lives after lives after, without stopping. This is my journey. Coming here, again to go back. Coming here, again to go back. But Yogi says, you, Mr. Yogi, you try to come here, come here. Because it is your origin place, this place. So Nischalang Brahma Uchyate means if you can able to stop the kineticism of my own prana and come here with the Nischal state, non-kinetic state, then I shall merge with the absolute Brahma, my origin. But now I invite any questions about this science. This is the spiritual science, the soul science, the prana science. If you have any question, I am ready to give you the answer.
So my question, I fully appreciate.
Please come here.
I fully appreciate and agree with what Professor Doctor has said. I am a practitioner of yoga.
So mic is not good.
I am a practitioner of yoga. I do yoga for half an hour, yoga asanas with breathing for half an hour after my 6 kilometers walk. I am 79. Now my question is, can a person, is there any limit to the age up to which you can perform yoga asanas?
No. If body able to practice, so can do. You are now 79.
Yes.
Okay. And now I am 80. So
That gives confidence.
So if I can do, definitely you can do.
Thanks a lot.
At least you are 1 year junior than me.
Certainly. Thank
I
you.
think so.
Thank you. It reassures me.
There is no question of age. There is no question of ability and desire. That I want to go beyond the birth and death. Only that place can give me the eternal happiness. This is the only getting the happiness. And that happiness is depending on me. This is the karma yoga, according to the Bhagavad Gita. But nowadays, many are saying that karma yoga means to feed the poor people. No, it is not the subject of the Gita. Nobody is poor. Poor, how we can identify? Those who have got money, they are rich. Those who have no money, those who have no money is the poor. It is earthly thing. But he is the actual poor who has no knowledge about the soul, about his own self. So, that's why our Sanatana Dharma teachings, Amritasya Putra, we are the son of the God, but we forget. Why forget? Due to the 1 lakh vibration within me. So, alive within 1 lakh vibration, if I slowly by practicing this yoga, go to the 0 vibration, merge with the absolute, go beyond the birth and death. Finished?
Thank you.
Anything more? Anyone? Yes.
I know Dr. B.K. Sayangar. He is 96. He is daily doing yogasana for 3 hours. 40 minutes of Sirsasana and the rest other yogasanas. 96 he is. He is like a lion. 96. He says, if I don't do it, I lose my fitness. Dr. B.K. Sayangar, who lives in Pune, the founder of the Iyengar yoga system, he is daily practicing yogasana for 3 hours a day, including 40 minutes of Sirsasana. And very active, like a lion. He had a very sick childhood, born poor. There are days he had no food, he had just taken water and lived. He had TB and all sorts of illnesses. He says he cured himself only by regular practice of yoga, and he is a world-renowned yoga master with about 5,000 Iyengar yoga teachers around the world.
Yoga are 2 types. General people thinking yoga exercise. Yoga exercise makes our body good. This is exercise. many types of holding the body. This is the yoga exercise to maintain the health. But this yoga, the external yoga exercise, cannot take me to salvation. But Indian yoga says that how you will get the salvation, not to rebirth. Then you will get the real peace. But the yoga exercise cannot give me the salvation. So general people knows that yoga exercise is a yoga. No. Forget these two subjects. Yoga exercise only maintain my health. It cannot bring me towards the salvation. But I am telling, which I am telling here, it is the yoga science of the spirituality. Today's subject is the spirituality. Yoga exercise, forget. It is separate thing. But the yoga spirituality, which I sketched here, I tried to understand all the spectators. Because today's subject is the spirituality. I cannot cross the spirituality. Yoga exercise is a separate, yoga spiritual is separate. Okay?
Believe it or not, we're going to have 4 crore people meditating at this hour. Almost, the flyers have been sent in 68 languages across the globe. So be ready to meditate with the globe with almost 4 crore of people. I request Dr. Yugandhar to lead the meditation, the global meditation for all of us. Thank you. I request you to all of you to switch off or either keep your phones in silent and maintain pin drop of silence. Thank you.